Oscar, bud, we got some bad news, really bad news. No. We never want to start a video quite like this, but sometimes in life, bad things happen to very good cars.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
No! Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog, and welcome back to another perfect day here in the beautiful state of Utah. So I've been very distracted as of late. I know I haven't been posting a lot of content, but we're back. I've been slightly preoccupied. You guys might remember the girl from the mud fiasco and the Gladiator. We've been hanging out. We were in Moab yesterday, and well, we're back. And that's because a week from today, the event tour, the Supra, and the Gladiator, they all need to be in Las Vegas, Nevada, like done. And I did a bunch of research, and when I say research, purple fluid leaking from Lamborghini on Google. I'm pretty sure this is power steering fluid. I've already walked into Summit Auto Lab, and then I came back out to get you guys on the camera. I've seen the purple. It looks amazing. Like, you are not ready for this. The red was cool, boys, but the purple, it'll change your life. Well, my life. You guys aren't ready for this. Like, the purple, seeing it in person, like, I wish you guys could be here to see this purple because the camera is not doing it justice. The red was sick, boys, but the purple, it will actually change your life. Check that out. Clayton actually wrapped the mirrors white as well. My white skull wheels should be here any day now. They need to be here any day now because, well, the car has to be in Vegas in a week. So anyways, the purple looks sensational. Matte iced amethyst titanium from KPMF. So Clayton is just rocking and rolling right now. We still have the front bumper right here, and then he's working on the back bumper, and then the entire car will be wrapped purple, except for the white. That was perfect time. Are you kidding me? Like, we didn't even like plan that in advance or anything. We got the Pandem wide body kit, so it's still factory black, but we're gonna be wrapping it. And when I say factory black, it's not factory black. A guy in Salt Lake painted it. Anyways, this is gonna be wrapped soon, but it still needs to cure. The Supra is gonna be done tomorrow. I'm driving it down to Salt Lake City. The air ride, the air management is being installed, and then I'll bring it back here, and then Clayton will start wrapping the wide body. So, that purple looks so good. I don't want to flex on you guys too hard, but check out my new kicks. That's right, boys, we're moving on up. The purple looks even better from up here though. Whoa, those white mirrors are sick too. 3 things to consider. First and foremost, look at the exhaust tips, how they just like fade from blue into purple. Like, that is gonna look so sick when the car is done. We got the white mirrors right here that are gonna match the wheels. As far as the calipers, unfortunately, we kind of sort of ran out of time. I've been distracted, like I said earlier, I've been distracted. So we're gonna be rocking the red calipers at SEMA, but I think post SEMA we'll probably still paint them some other color. And then the 4th thing, I know I said there was gonna be 3 things, there's actually a 4th thing, but I can't think of what it is. What was it? I can't think of what the 3rd or 4th thing was gonna be. I'm getting old. Clayton's getting old. He has a birthday on Tuesday, so if you don't follow him on Instagram, go follow him on Instagram and tell him happy birthday. He's turning quite old. We don't want to put him in that situation. But when we roll into Vegas, boys, and we have the Supra, the Gladiator, and the Aventor purple white wheels, it is gonna look so sick. So I just got the new tires for the Gladiator. We're going up a little bit, and I have new white wheels for the Gladiator as well. That's not gonna be in today's video, but it's gonna be like the next one, probably after that one. The red interior looked amazing with the satin vampire red, whereas now with the purple, it looks kind of sort of silly, but Clayton thinks that I should get a custom interior made, maybe like a purple plaid pattern of some kind. I think that would be sick. Maybe get a carbon-tastic steering wheel, carbon fiber, like blue Alcantara, or purple Alcantara. That would be sick.
Better do it soon before somebody does a green plaid.
That was Clayton. That was, I did not tell him. That was not premeditated. That was Clayton. That was, yeah. The next time we see the Supra, it is gonna be fully wrapped. I cannot wait. I'm so glad that we finally removed the red and wrapped it a proper color. Clayton is absolutely killing it. So we are headed home. We're actually gonna see Clayton in a couple hours, but that purple, guys, enjoy that view because the next time you see it, it's gonna, well, I mean, from here, anyways, yeah. OG subscribers might remember that the Gallardo used to be purple. Like, the Gallardo was the original purple supercar in my collection. It'd be cool to bring it back, but the orange just looks so good, I don't think it's gonna happen. Wait, no, what are you doing? Are you ready to go? Your car is a mess. Have you washed this thing recently?
Yeah, you see the situation. I got the pressure washer right there, but
well, we gotta get the views on views. We gotta go up. We're not late, but we're definitely not gonna be on time. If there are any kids watching today's video and you have an upstairs roof, don't do what I do. Also, these new kicks, they're stylish. Wait for it. Steady. Oh, are you kidding me? Dude, that's the shot right there.
I know, okay, all right.
You've already ruined one clip. The view right here is good, but the view right here is slightly better. Okay, so we are taking the Aventador and we are headed that way. It looks technical, but it's it is actually quite technical, but we're good. In the last video, the Supra is leaking something. This morning, the Gallardo was leaking power steering fluid, and Nick's Mustang is leaking coolant. So, all of our cars are broken. And on that bombshell, we are now headed that way. We got the Ruby Stone Red GT3 next to Mikey's GT3 RS. We got the Lotus Elise, the GTR, the Corvette, and Burlacker. Burlacker and Clayton are nowhere to be found. They're always late. Don't try this at home, it's not that safe. It's not that safe, but it's pretty sick. Whoa, where you guys been? We've been waiting for you. We've all been here for like an hour.
That's a lie.
Dude, you guys are matching.
That's a lie.
I know.
White shirt squad. If today's video gets 19 likes, Clayton and Faith are wrapping the 430 purple. Can you rev it real quick?
Can we change that to 19 likes? We'll get a new exhaust, yes?
Yeah, okay. 25 likes, you wrap it purple.
25.
Done. 25, we just need 25 heroes. Everybody is risking their lives right now, and they don't even realize it, but we'll be okay, Steady, Burlacker. Steady. Brake. Okay, no, you're good. Look at that, the face of fear and terror.
That you were letting me back up on my own.
No, I know. Keep it coming. You got good distance from the 720, you're okay. Okay, you're good. Yeah. The black Huracan, the orange Gallardo, we got Mikey in the GT3 RS, we got the 720S is looking sharp, and we are headed that way. What's up? See you guys. So loud. Jeez. So this 911 Turbo S, his license plate is G. That's right, it's the letter G. That's all there is. That's so sick. I need that license plate. That is money. There's nothing like a Murcielago coming to the channel soon. And when I say soon, the new car is not a Murcielago. I repeat, it is not. I wish it was, but it's not. Check this out. Utah is just flexing on the nation. So update on my new supercar. I don't really have an update. The deal is still in progress. I think I should have the car on Monday. Today's Saturday, so 2 days. We've kind of sort of reached the curious portion of the vlog. The last drive we did, we parked and the Aventador broke down. So this kind of sort of like a 50-50 odd that it's gonna start. It's getting cold, sun's going down. Please start.
There you go.
Is the car gonna start, Mikey?
Yes, it's gonna start.
It's definitely gonna start. We're at elevation. It didn't start last time. But if it doesn't, you're good, right?
45.
45, that's right. It's always on the 45 it starts. So we're just gonna chill and wait. There's sort of two outcomes at play. Either A, the Aventador will start up, or B, it won't start up. Well, it doesn't always start. It hasn't started 3 times, but it started. You're never, ever gonna believe who it is. What? He didn't crash! I don't know what happened to Burlacker. I'm gonna try to keep up, boys.
It's ridiculous. Look at that. Grill some hot dogs. Some Kettle corn.
I rarely offer advice, it's not my nature, but never, ever, ever move to Utah. It's garbage. It's absolute garbage. Don't move here, don't do it. Okay, never mind. So like Utah's just out here showing off. Are you kidding me? Look at that, what? How is that even possible? Is this even real life? Yes. The camera is not doing this any justice. That is unreal. What? Like I was saying, Utah is garbage. Like it is absolute garbage. Are you kidding me? Like never, ever, ever move here. You're not gonna like it here. Just leave it all to me and my homies. That is so sick.